Hi, Eddie. How are you today?
Hi, Tina. I'm good, thanks. But something funny happened this morning. I went out and got lost for a few minutes. I was trying to find a coffee shop, but I couldn't see it anywhere. I walked around, looked at the streets, and finally I had to ask someone for directions.
Oh, no. But actually, that's perfect for today's topic. What great timing. Today, we're going to learn how to ask for directions, how to understand them, and also how to give simple and clear directions in English. Let's start with some key words that you really need when talking about directions: left, right, straight, near, far, next to, behind, in front of, and opposite.
Okay, let me repeat to practice. Left, right, straight, near, far, next to, behind, in front of, opposite. I think I got it. These words sound simple, but they're really important when you're asking or giving directions.
Exactly. Now let's learn how to ask for directions politely. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the bank?" Or, "Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?"
Ah, I see. So, excuse me is very important, right? It makes the question more polite and friendly.
Yes, always start with "excuse me." It shows respect, and people are more willing to help you.
All right, let me try. Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Perfect. And I could answer, "It's near the post office," or "Go straight and turn left."
Got it. So when someone says go straight, it means walk forward. And turn left or turn right is just the direction you move.
Let's practice a quick conversation. I'll be the tourist, and you help me.
Okay, let's do it.
"Excuse me, where is the bus station?"
It's not far. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. It's next to the park.
Great. That was clear and simple.
Now it's my turn to be the tourist. Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn left at the traffic lights. The train station is opposite the shopping mall.
Nice. So opposite means the same as across from, right?
Exactly. They mean the same thing. Now let's try a more realistic situation.
Okay,
"Excuse me, can you help me, please? I'm looking for the library."
sure. It's near here. Go straight for about 5 minutes. You'll see a cafe on the left, and the library is next to the cafe.
Perfect. That's very clear.
Sometimes I forget words like next to or behind.
That's normal. Let's review. Next to means very close, side by side. Behind means at the back. In front of means before something or facing it. Opposite or across from means on the other side.
And what if I don't understand what someone says?
Good question. You can say, "I'm sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Can you speak more slowly, please?"
That's really helpful. Sometimes people speak too fast.
Let's imagine we're in a new city.
Okay,
"Excuse me, how can I get to the museum?"
go straight down the street. Turn right at the traffic lights. The museum is next to a big hotel.
Perfect directions.
What if I want to say how far something is?
You can say, "It's near," "It's far," or "It's about 5 minutes from here." Before we finish, let's do a quick review of the most important direction words we learned today.
Great idea. This will really help us remember everything.
Let's start with go straight. It means continue forward without turning.
Example, go straight for 2 blocks.
Next, we have turn left. It means move to your left side.
Example, turn left at the traffic light.
And turn right. It means move to your right side.
Example, turn right after the bank.
Now let's look at next to. It means very close, side by side.
Example, the cafe is next to the library.
Behind means at the back of something.
Example, the car is behind the building.
In front of means before something or facing it.
Example, the bus stop is in front of the school.
Now opposite or across from. Both mean on the other side of the street.
Example, the bank is opposite the supermarket.
Let's talk about distance. Near means close,
Example, the park is near my house.
and far means not close.
Example, the airport is far from here.
So today we learned how to ask for directions, understand simple directions, and give clear answers in English.
And we also learned important words like go straight, turn left, turn right, next to, behind, in front of, opposite, and near.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for listening. Remember, don't be afraid to ask for help.
Just say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Exactly. Keep practicing every day.
You're doing great. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.